Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today I will be unboxing this selfie stick from Telesin. You can see the whole box right here, and I will get into the unboxing right now. Here we have the selfie stick. I'll just get rid of the extra covers. Now I will show you how to open this and use all the functions. Here we have the tripod style stand. With this, you unlock this with this, and the tripods fall off. And then you twist it again, and they will be locked. See? They stay in position. But when you twist it again, they will move as they will, and you can lock it again. To extend the tripod, you just have to twist this one time for every bit. The more you twist, you can open the whole thing up. And then once you twist it again, this will be locked. Now I will show you how to use the tripod for other functions. But first I will show you what else is inside the box, like at the top of this bit. Here we have another box right here. We have the phone stand and the extra screw. To use a phone stand, right here you can see an extra bit of equipment. Screw this onto here. There, done, nice and tight. And for this top bit, I'll just descend it to make it easy. You can attach any GoPro or whatever you want here. I have the GoPro 9 here right now. I'll just open these two bits and attach them. And then you put in the screw. There, done. Now it's perfectly tight. Now I will just extend it so that I can attach the phone right here. There. Now you can use the phone as a display for when you use the GoPro, and you don't have to reach for the GoPro every time, and you can just connect it to the phone. Okay, that's all. Thank you for watching.